Hi guys, it's Giles and Myles from Mindful Chef.
Yeah, and we're back with another one of our 5-minute challenges, and today we're going to do teriyaki salmon with crispy kale and choi sun. One of my absolute favourites.
Are we ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Are you ready?
Okay, we reckon we can do this under 5. 3, 2, 1, go.
Right, let's go. Right, what's up first, Gilo?
I'm going to stick some kale in the oven.
That's good. Okay, I'm going to get the salmon on straight away. Salmon in. Did have some oil in the pan already. Let's go. Thinking ahead.
So some roughly chopped kale, spread it out evenly, give it a nice...
Okay, and we are going to cheat ever so slightly today, using some ready-made quinoa because even we can't get quinoa done in 5 minutes, unfortunately. Right, so we're just going to pop
in the tray with a bit of oil, a bit of salt, pop it in your oven.
Just going to pop the quinoa in there, a little splash of water, get it going, and now we've got to make our punchy sauce, teriyaki sauce. Right, so all we're going to do for this, finely slice up some chili. Gilo's going to get started on the ginger for us. And we're just going to get some chili, ginger, some lime juice. We've got some tamari, tamari, got some teriyaki, also got some honey, and then we're going to get some garlic in there as well.
So the kale has just gone in and it will need just under 5 minutes. If you want some nice crispy kale, stick a little bit of olive oil in it, some salt, some nice Molden sea salt always goes well, and then leave it in for under 5 really. Keep an eye on it, make sure it doesn't burn. 180 degrees should do it.
Okay, any sort of greens in the oven, my absolute favourite. Just
so good,
tastier,
so good.
So much more flavour.
Right. So I'm just slicing up some ginger, nice and fine. We're going to mix this in a bowl to make our lovely sauce.
And then dry light. Clocks are running.
Right, there's your ginger.
And we can't have the first 5-minute challenge of 2018. Not get it in under 5, can we?
Oh mate, I reckon 4 minutes 30, easy.
30. Got all that salmon.
Ginger's gone in. Now just get a lime, roll it, brings out the extra juice. Slice it in half, we'll just use half a lime there.
Right, Gilo, there you go. Get that one in your pan, mate. Alright.
Myles is now going to add in the chili.
I'll give it a shout out.
Give it a bit more lime.
Bit of a punch in there.
What are we on? We're on 2 minutes, 40 seconds.
Go on, looking for pans in, looking for spoons in this place. There we go. Right. Turn this salmon over.
Right.
Cooking good.
Oh, so good. Give it a mix around.
Also got the choi sun, so what we're going to do is slice up these stalks. All right, just like that.
Honey.
Nice and easy.
Adds that sweetness to it with the...
Get these stalks in as well, get them cooking. Along with the choi sun. There we go. Good.
3 minutes 27. We've got our sauce ready. Myles, when do you want it on?
Sauce, I'd get the sauce in there.
Right guys,
get it all
check
over.
this out. Lovely balance of flavours there, and it goes. Just going to bring a real kick to the dish, and put some of the choi sun as well. No reason to use pre-made sauces. You can chop up beautiful fresh flavours like that in no time at all. That took us 3 minutes total.
Okay, and then on top we're just going to pop some spring onion, which is going to bring another texture, another flavour to the dish.
Bit of lime.
Lovely, lime in there.
Right, 4 minutes. 4 minutes. How are we looking?
It's all on that salmon. It's all on that salmon.
Right, I'll get ourselves a plate. Ready whenever you are, sir.
Good. Right, so
oh, lovely.
This quinoa we popped from the packet, that's only going to take about 2.5 minutes. So super quick, super easy. If you don't have that sort of 15 minutes for quinoa at home. Still going to have all the nutritional goodness, still going to be great.
The kale.
Kale out.
Oh, little crispiness.
A little early on kale. A little early for my liking.
Right, kale's good. 4 minutes 50, Miles. You gonna do it?
Oh God, no.
You gonna do it?
Oh no.
Stay focused.
I was focused.
Task at hand, he's not even.
Wasn't focused.
There you go, go for
right,
it.
give it a second. Oh yes. 2 salmons?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
Feed me. Now just pour it over the top. Put it in. There we have it. Would you look at that? Not bad. For a rapid dish in the evening. Fresh, healthy, and delicious.
I mean, I'm a bit upset. You know, first challenge of 2018.
He loses his head. Doesn't
I wasn't
stay on
paying
track.
attention, to be honest. We've gone over, but look at that. Healthy, nutritious, delicious, ready to go. Gilo, here, let's crack him.
Get in. Let's go for it. I'm going for the crispy end.
Crispy bit again.
Oh, and some
salmon.
crispy kale.
Yes, of course.
Oh, that's so good.
That punchy teriyaki sauce.
Oh, I'm having some more.
Makes it. So look guys, there you go. That's how easy it is. 5 minutes. Go home, cook yourself something healthy and delicious tonight.
So good. And don't forget, click the link below, subscribe, and you'll see way more videos like this. We've got a very quick charity update for you with our partner, One Feeds 2.
Yeah, we're super proud because we've now donated over 300,000 meals to children living in poverty. And that means 1,500 children eating for a whole year. So thank you very much to you, our customers.